Molo kunjani ndiphilile enkosi. In this video, we're going to have a second look at my family. And in this particular video, the members of the family will state that they are, for example, the grandmother of the grandchildren, and the husband will say he's the husband of the wife. So we're going to see how the word of or belonging to is expressed in isiXhosa. Jane. Molo ndingu Jane. I am Peter's grandmother. Ndingumakhulu kaPeter. Ndingumakhulu kaPeter. I am Sally's grandmother. Ndingumakhulu kaSally. I am Peter and Sally's grandmother. Ndingumakhulu kaPeter no Sally. So we can see that the belonging to or the of is expressed by means of ka. John has much the same to say. Hello, I am John. Molo ndingu John. Molo ndingu John. I am Peter's grandfather. Ndingutatomkhulu kaPeter. Ndingutatomkhulu kaPeter. I am Sally's grandfather. Ndingutatomkhulu kaSally. Ndingutatomkhulu kaSally. I am Peter and Sally's grandfather. Ndingutatomkhulu kaSally, or rather kaPeter no Sally. Ndingutatomkhulu kaPeter no Sally. David. Molo ndingu David. I am Peter and Sally's father. Ndingutata kaPeter no Sally. Ndingutata kaPeter no Sally. I am Mary's husband. Ndingumyeni kaMary. Ndingumyeni kaMary. Mary. Molo ndingumary. Molo ndingumary. I am Peter and Sally's mother. Ndingumama kaPeter no Sally. Ndingumama kaPeter no Sally. I am David's wife. Ndingunkosikazi kaDavid. Ndingunkosikazi kaDavid. Peter. Molo ndinguPeter. Molo ndinguPeter. I am Jane and John's grandchild. Ndingumzukulwana kaJane no John. Ndingumzukulwana kaJane no John. I am David and Mary's son. Ndingunyana kaDavid no Mary. Ndingunyana kaDavid no Mary. I am Sally's brother. Two words here. Ndingubhuti kaSally. Ndingubhuti kaSally or ndingubrada kaSally. Ndingubrada kaSally. There are also other words that you could use for brother, being older or younger brother, but this will do for the time being. Ndingubhuti or ndingubrada kaSally. Sally says, Molo ndingu Sally. Molo ndingu Sally. I am Jane and John's grandchild. Ndingumzukulwana kaJane no John. Ndingumzukulwana kaJane no John. I am David and Mary's daughter. And this is also a slight change, not Ndingu, but Ndiyintombi kaDavid noMary. Ndiyintombi kaDavid noMary. I'm the daughter. And I'm also Peter's sister. Two words we can use here. Ndingusista kaPeter. Ndingusista kaPeter, or Ndingudade kaPeter. Ndingudade kaPeter. Right, so there are some important words to learn here. Grandmother, umakhulu. Grandfather, utatomkhulu. Father, utata. Husband, umyeni. Mother, umama. Wife, unkosikazi. Umakhulu, utatomkhulu, utata, umyeni, umama, unkosikazi. Child, umntwana. Umntwana, son. Unyana. Unyana. Brother, ubhuti or ubrada. Ubhuti or ubrada. Daughter, intombi. Intombi. Sister, usista or udade. Usista or udade. And grandchild, umzukulwana. Umzukulwana. So we have umntwana, unyana, ubhuti or ubrada, intombi, usista or udade, and umzukulwana. And that's the end of the video. Enkosi kakhulu.